When I think about Savannah, Georgia, I imagine ancient oaks like this lined on cobblestone streets and the Spanish moss dripping off of the trees.
Do you know where the Spanish moss got its name?
I think you might tell me?
We just heard on our last tour.
Because the Spanish looked like this. In this episode, we're going to Tybee Island, plus take a guided and scenic walking tour of downtown Savannah. If it's your first time here, remember to hit that subscribe button to travel to more destinations with us.
And there might be some Playful Dolphins involved too. For a week in August, our southern home base was Creekside RV Resort. I'm pretty sure the lazy river was Mike's favorite spot. Okay, I liked it too.
Tybee Island is a barrier island off the coast of Savannah. This small coastal community is known for its wide sandy beaches, pier and pavilion, and is Georgia's top vacation getaway.
Somehow, we found ourselves on Tybee's secret beach, otherwise known as Back River Beach, located on the south end of the island. We were treated with a show of dolphins doing, well, you know what dolphins do.
Traveling to the north end, we stopped in at Georgia's oldest and tallest lighthouse. For $12, you can climb to the top.
Next, we pulled out the GoPro and took a video spin around the neighborhoods. Then a quick patio lunch of fish tacos at Stingray Seafood, located on the main road US 80. Then on to more beaches.
We wrapped up our day at North Beach Bar and Grill for some local entertainment. Everyone here was so friendly.
We could get used to this. Learning about Savannah's rich history makes you truly appreciate the city. We met our guide, Keith, with Noble Jones Tours in Reynolds Square, downtown Savannah.
You don't realize this. We're 10 years away from 300 years old. There's a lot of history. There's a ton of architecture, there's a ton of culture, and a ton of history that is woven into the fabric of this very unique and special city. Now, I want to take a moment, I want to introduce you to our founder. Our founder, his name is General James Edward Oglethorpe. He's English. He'll arrive here on February 12, 1733. He's 36 years old. And when you look at the colonization of British North America, what's interesting is that the 12 colonies that precede this one, this will be the last one, number 13, the 12 that precede this one, none of them look like this.
Keith handed out wireless headsets, which meant we could spread out with our cameras yet still catch all of his in-depth knowledge about this historical and captivating place.
Sit back, we'll do the walking for you.
The home right over here behind you guys, that pink structure, 1772. We have only 3 structures that date back to the 1700s. 1740, 1760, and that structure right there, a personal residence for James Habersham Jr., was built in 1772. Now the square we're in, this is Reynolds Square, and this was laid out in 1734. This is the original footprint and the original soil of 1734. Have we replanted and added ornamentals? Absolutely. The azaleas, the live oaks have been replanted. But the original layout and the original soil is original to 1734. Now here's what's pretty fascinating from an architectural standpoint. This is very typical. This would have been classified as what is known as 5/4 and a door. There's your tongue twister. Tell me if you see it. A lot of these places, you don't have to grab a meal or dine here, but all you have to do is walk in. And there's a very strong chance they're going to hand you a menu and tell you, sure, let me show you around.
Haha, you don't have to tell us twice. It's reported that the old pink house got its name from red bricks that bled through the exterior white plaster, giving it its shade of pink.
Not everything in this house is pink. Now a tavern and restaurant, it serves classic Southern cuisine in its elegantly decorated rooms.
Advanced reservations are highly recommended.
Leroy Myers had this structure built in 1904, and this is the original structure from 1904. So what you're looking at, this would have been a cigar factory in 19...
Next, Keith took us to the Riverfront District and continued to draw our attention to the simple and intricate styles of Georgia's 18th and 19th century architecture.
Hey babe, you want to get an ice cream?
Sure.
All right, well get in line, yeah. Wait, no, get in line.
Get in line.
That line's for ice cream?
Very famous.
Whoa. Must be good.
Savannah, Georgia's one-of-a-kind Southern hospitality and charm will surely capture your heart forever. Thanks for watching. Until next time.
Safe travels.
Welcome to the world-famous Pirate's House. My name is Ting Lu, lifelong sailor of the high seas. Thank you.
Really? We've been camping too long. Way too long.